If you are someone who enjoys ordering food online, you are probably acquainted with the various food delivery platforms and apps available in India. These apps have gained popularity in recent times for providing great deals and discounts on food orders. However, a fresh contender has entered the food delivery market and is presenting formidable competition to this platform and that is going to disrupt the food delivery market. It's called ondc, Open Network for Digital Commerce. So hey everyone, my name is Nisha Chaudhary
and my name is Meenakshi Chaudhary
and we welcome you to this YouTube channel
Emerging Startups,
where we are going to explore ONDC. So let's begin. The first question is, what is ONDC? The government has created a platform called ONDC, which allows restaurants to sell their food product directly to customers, bypassing any middlemen or intermediaries.
It has been operational since September 2022 and has gained immense popularity owing to its cost-effective rates.
Along with the food delivery, ONDC also offers delivery services for groceries, home decor, cleaning essentials and other products.
Numerous ONDC buyers applications partners such as Paytm, Meesho, MyStore, among others, provide a diverse range of options to pick from.
Now the question comes, how is ONDC different from other food delivery platforms? Although other food delivery platforms provide discounts and free delivery based on specific terms, ONDC still stands apart by being slightly more affordable.
And if you are the one who doesn't know how to use ONDC, then let me clear for you how to use it. Using ONDC is effortless if you are a Paytm user. To search for ONDC, all you need to do is open Paytm on your device and enter ONDC in search bar. You will presented with a plethora of options to choose from, including food stores, groceries and more. ONDC is not a separate app or website. It's like UPI of groceries e-commerce market.
If you wish to order food from restaurant, you can visit ONDC Food and pick the restaurant you want to order from. It is worth noting that all restaurants have not started selling food through ONDC. Therefore, you may have limited options when selecting restaurants.
So the registration of local kirana store and restaurant to the ONDC platform is still going on.
So you will have plenty of options in the future. Thank you for joining us today.
It's a very helpful video. If you like, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye-bye.